In this video, we'll show you how to pair extra call buttons with your Callovo 2-number display call system. First, make sure the receiver is powered on and that the new call buttons have batteries installed. Step 1. Press and hold the replace button until you hear 2 beeps and a closing melodic tone, indicating that pairing mode is active. Next, quickly press the record button once, and you'll hear 1 beep. Then pick up a new call button and press it once to pair it with the receiver. The paired number will appear on the receiver's display. To pair additional call buttons, simply press each one once to pair it with the receiver. For standard call buttons, press the call button to pair it with the receiver. For dual function call buttons, press the call button to pair it with the receiver. For the wireless clear call button, press the clear button to pair it with the receiver. Step 2. Press the record button again to finish pairing. Then, press the time button once to exit pairing mode. Step 3. Test the newly added call buttons to ensure they are working correctly. Callovo. Simple, but more than just simple.